opportunity to thank you for your kind support all this while. Happy Thanksgiving and hope you have a good meal.
May all the good things of life be yours, not only at the Thanksgiving Day, but throughout the coming year. Hello guys, wish you have a very special Thanksgiving days for you and for your families. Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for the laughter and support in my life.
One wish is at Thanksgiving. Thanks for all of our clients and our company. May you have your life filled with happiness and beauty.